कि यार ये क्या कर दे, it was very crazy यार, क्योंकि 200 people you know in a single club, it's a feeling.
I went to a club, मेरी तो फर्स्ट टाइम एंट्री नहीं हुई थी.
मेरी भी नहीं हुई थी. गेस्टलेस टाइमिंग्स बंद हो गए थे, मेरे को तो बता दिया था. A lot of people don't know कि I am in my final year MBA. I'm doing my MBA full fledged. I go to college every day. I don't think we have any competition, or I consider anyone my competition.
Are you dating someone or
As of now, we are.
you're seeing someone?
No one.
Hello, myself Acharva Tapadia. I'm 21 years old and I'm the founder of Blunt Entertainment.
Hello, I'm Ruman Mirza. I'm 22 years old and I'm the founder of Blunt Entertainment.
Perfect. So we all know that Blunt Entertainment is a prominent name in the industry, and we all know that it's the biggest contribution to Mumbai nightlife because you guys are affiliated with a lot of clubs, a lot of cafes, and you host a lot of gigs and party events. So we truly want to know how these things work because like we like to be a part of it. But ये सब चीजें organize कैसे होती हैं, ये सब चीजें work कैसे करती हैं, like how these things work, and like who came up with the Blunt का idea on the first place?
Okay, so first of all, how this works is we curate a venue, ठीक है? We take a venue for one night, ठीक है? उसके बाद we give sales to the venue. उस पे the venue gives us XYZ% on the total bar sales of the night, ठीक है? इसमें you have two things. One is tables and other is guest list. तो sales that happens on tables, तो फिर हमको पहले ही amount एक fix पता चल जाता है कितना sales होने वाला है. फिर we take the amount on the gate itself. तो उतना sales हमारा night का हमको confirm हो गया. So we mostly focus on tables that because that's where we get our main revenue from. But there are bar sales also where people spend on the bar as well, and where our sales happen. So main revenue is our tables, but floor and bar is also a little contribution to our main income, I'll say.
We started Blunt 2 years ago. उसके बाद we started at our Adda, like that property. अभी we used to shift this side for the Bandra side.
So पहले the nights we used to do were at our Adda. So I'll tell you a story. We used to go there, party. We just used to party there with our 15 to 20 friends. Then one of the PR person there told us कि would you like to host an event? मैं बोला क्या दोगे उसमें? बोले we'll pay you 200 per couple. Host an event, big 30 couples. फ्री में सबको एंट्री भी दे देंगे. Plus you'll get 6,000 अगर 30 couples पर.
We promoted that event मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा.
तो it was our first hosted by event. So we're like 30 couple बनना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं. Full crowd. 6,000 रुपए मिल जाएंगे. 30 लोगों को फ्री एंट्री भी अपन कराएंगे. अथर्व गेस्ट लिस्ट, रुमान गेस्ट लिस्ट चलेगा. So we were very excited. हमने बहुत प्रमोट किया. But around 200 people coming that day. So there we thought कि यार ये क्या कर दे. It was very crazy यार, क्योंकि 200 people you know in a single club, it's a feeling. I can tell you.
उसके बाद for like 6 months ऐसे ही चला hosted by रुमान अथर्व. जब तक Blunt कुछ नहीं था.
तो उसके बाद फिर 6 महीने जब रुमान अथर्व चला, उसके बाद people were like कि हर एक क्लब से हमको धीरे-धीरे पहले 1-2 क्लब्स कर रहे थे, हमको सारे क्लब से ऑफर्स आ रहे थे कि क्या हमारे इधर भी कर लो, हमारे इधर
Someone
भी कर
said
लो.
हम लोग को किसी XYZ कंपनी का पेज बताया था क्या देखो इन लोग के जैसा कुछ करो. और हम लोग का आज भी याद है भी मतलब you should say it like this, we were at dinner. हम लोग बता रहे थे कि ऐसे ऐसे
क्लब का ओनर था, वो बता रहा था एक XYZ कंपनी का पेज कि ये कंपनी का पेज देख रहे हो, ऐसे कभी कर नहीं पाओगे तुम ऐसे वैसे.
And अभी I have a text that उसका
वो
ओनर
उसके ओनर का टेक्स्ट है कि एक इवेंट साथ में कर ले. बोला
let's
हाँ
collab
बताते
one
हैं.
event साथ में.
हाँ बताते हैं.
अभी तो बहुत लोग को ऐसे लगता है कि we are from Bombay.
बहुत लोगों को लगता है बॉम्बे, पर मैं बोलूँगा कि not a lot of people know, but हमको सिर्फ 3 साल हुए बॉम्बे में मेरे हिसाब से. और the first time I went clubbing, I went inside a club was when I was 18. मतलब 3 साल पहले. It hasn't been a long
When
time.
I went to a club मेरी तो first time entry नहीं हुई थी.
मेरी भी नहीं हुई थी. गेस्ट लिस्ट टाइमिंग्स बंद हो गए थे, मेरे को तो भगा दिया था.
You guys are from नासिक. तो नासिक और मुंबई में ऐसा बिग कल्चरल शिफ्ट क्या लगा आप लोगों की यार, ये मुंबई में ये चीज़ बहुत डिफरेंट है.
Crowd difference.
Crowd difference there. नासिक में अभी जैसे फॉर एन एग्जांपल we sell a table at 10 packs. I've sold tables 10 packs 1 lakh
In Mumbai.
in Mumbai, 2 packs 1 lakh. So the spending capacity the crowd has in Bombay na, you cannot find it in Nasik. Nasik mein you have tickets and everything going on 500,000. There's nothing. It's very cheap and it's non-cover. But Mumbai में you have a spending capacity. मतलब एक रात में क्लब का सेल 10-15 लाख जाता है. मतलब 300 लोग मिलके 15 लाख रुपए एक रात में खर्च कर रहे हैं. That's a huge difference I will say कि मुंबई में जो है.
तो आप लोग सिर्फ गिग्स करते हैं या फिर आप लोग कॉन्सर्ट्स
Okay. तो कॉन्सर्ट्स हम लोग मेनली कॉन्सर्ट ऑर्गेनाइज ही करते हैं. मतलब वी डोंट बुक द आर्टिस्ट वगैरह. ठीक है, वी हैव इन्वेस्टर्स वगैरह, बट अभी के लिए वी आर नॉट लुकिंग इनटू कॉन्सर्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. वी आर नॉट बुकिंग आर्टिस्ट. वी आर टिकटिंग फॉर, मतलब कोई और कॉन्सर्ट बुक कर रहा है तो वी आर टिकटिंग
partners.
ठीक है, वी आर कमिंग इन एज टिकटिंग पार्टनर्स, बट वी आर इन्वेस्टिंग एनीथिंग एज सच एंड मे बी विल डू इन आवर फ्यूचर. बट राइट नाउ वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन आवर वेन्यूज, द हॉस्पिटैलिटी थिंग दैट्स बीन गोइंग ऑन विद अस.
Okay, so there are like how many cafes and how many clubs इनके साथ आप affiliated हैं अभी?
So I cannot
The
count.
events तो we are doing all over Mumbai.
I don't think there's any good club or cafe in Mumbai because I think we have done events in across 100 venues over Bombay.
Okay.
हाँ.
But आपके सबसे अच्छे relations कौन से club या cafe से कि आपको पता है कि यहाँ का PR मेरा ही best, like अगर मैं यहाँ crowd लाऊंगा तो crowd will be from the Blunt Entertainment.
So I'll say abhi as of now we have two properties that we wholly manage from Monday to Sunday. Be it Saki and CL. So ये दो properties तो we fully manage. So every Saturday we do clubbing nights here, organic. So it's great here. And also I'll say Fridays now we have picked up it at Escobar. So every Fridays are filling Escobar. It's a great vibe. You should visit there sometime for sure.
Besides being a party freak, which a lot of people know that you guys are in the party scene and you party a lot, but what is that one thing about you that will actually surprise your viewers?
I think a lot of people don't know कि I am in my final year MBA. I'm doing my MBA full fledged. I go to college every day. So I get a lot of calls in the morning. I don't pick it up. I text कि college में हो तुम. I get a text back कि तू college में? हाँ college में हूँ. MBA final year में. So I shifted to Pune an year ago where I got into SIBM. So but I came back after 2 months because I think there's been some part in me where I thought कि I belong here in Mumbai. To do this nightlife and all. And I think when I came back from Pune, we weren't this big. We were very small back then. But then too, why? I don't know why, but I decided I want to stay back in Mumbai. And that's where I think we expanded a lot.
How do you like to describe yourself? As you mentioned that you are big. कितने big हो, like according to you? Like आपके हिसाब से.
How big is it?
How would you like to compare yourself?
I don't think we have any competition or I consider anyone my competition. But how big we are, if I can tell you. Every Saturday we have around 3 venues going on with 1,000 plus people partying there. So I think we are big.
Okay. ऐसा कोई competition या कोई competitor?
I don't think we have competition as of now.
So
Like,
you
not in a bad way, but I don't see what other people are doing. I think what I do and I love breaking our records. मतलब when I tell Ruman, I don't think यार उसका सेल इतना अपने को इतना करना है. I always tell Ruman कि अपना पिछले बार इतना हुआ था ना, ये बार अपने को इतना करना है. So I think our only competition is breaking our old records that we have set.
Okay. So this is what Atharva told us. What about you? Like
I just completed my graduation last year and I'm a cricket player. I was a cricket player. I used to play district in Nashik. Then I shifted to Pune for my graduation. And after COVID आ गया, then I used to play cricket in Mumbai. Then COVID के Blunt started. Then there's no going back. Blunt is over.
okay.
Looking forward.
तो Blunt को expand करने के thoughts हैं.
So Blunt अभी expand. So we have 2 properties running as of now, and also we have been pushing ourselves in different cities. So last month we tried around 4 cities across.
And Halloween.
Or Halloween and one after first week Diwali also we tried at Nagpur. We had Nagpur, Pune, Bangalore and Kolkata going on. So we had a great response on all the 4 venues.
In Nagpur you hosted at Rasta, right?
Rasta.
Yeah, that was actually a big hit.
Yeah,
I have been
yes, so
it
I'll tell you, that's also a very crazy story.
I was sleeping. I was literally sleeping.
Yeah, so I'll tell you, ठीक है? So very new, ठीक है? I get a call from हमारे कि हम booked in Nagpur. अथर्व भाई आपको कोई पता है क्या वगैरह? ऐसे कि कौन सा नागपुर में? सिद्धांत भी नागपुर में. I'll talk to सिद्धांत क्या आ रहे हो वगैरह. वो आपको मिलेगा नागपुर में, देखते हैं. फिर हमारे भाई 3 दिन में सिद्धांत बोले रास्ता वाले पूछ रहे तुम लोग इवेंट करो हमारे आ रहा है तो मैं बोला 3 दिन में सिद्धांत खींच पाएंगे बोला ट्राई कर लेंगे एंड वी हैव 5 to 6 people हमारे टीम में दे फ्रॉम नागपुर और नागपुर में ही थे वो टाइम पे दिवाली ब्रेक के लिए तो सबको कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल हुआ रात में कि हमारा थर्सडे को रात को कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल हुआ सैटरडे से वो इवेंट है क्या लग रहा है खींच लेंगे तो सब यार सब कोई मना करता ही नहीं दैट्स द थिंग आई लाइक अबाउट माय टीम भाई कोई मना नहीं करता कि नहीं होगा 3 दिन में कैसे करें क्या करें कोई रोते नहीं बैठा करना है ठीक है नागपुर में करना है दैट वाज अ मैसिव हिट I cannot tell you कि the offers we have got from Rasta Nagpur or the venues from Nagpur. They have loved the response we have given.
नागपुर के मतलब जो रेगुलर क्लबिंग होता है वो लोग को भी मतलब they weren't expecting this कि ऐसे हो सकता है नागपुर में.
It was something different.
You are from Nagpur, you to know.
Yeah, you're from Nagpur, you know कि Dabo छोड़ के कुछ और ऐसा पहली बार कभी हुआ होगा इतना बड़ा.
Since you guys mentioned that you were not from Mumbai, so what was that one moment when you came to the city and you decided कि हमें इस लाइन में अपना करियर बनाना है? Like, are you guys doing it ऐसे करियर बनाने के उसमें या फिर एक ऐसे बस करा तो हो गया या फिर it's a side hustle?
As a career, so it wasn't मतलब फर्स्ट 6 मंथ्स वी आर कंफर्म कि
मतलब ऐसे ही चल रहा था, it was like चल रहा है
वो चल रहा था 6
We have
महीने
never discussed ऐसे बैठ के क्या चलो अभी क्या करना
क्या है
है
इसका, बस हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत क्या पार्टी कर रहे थे, लोग आ रहे थे, सब पार्टी कर रहे थे, मजे करके जा रहे थे, 6 महीने वैसा चला. फिर one day
after blunt turns one
after
blunt turns one
for me it was after 6 to 7 months when I was at Noble Chemist. So Noble Chemist is very close to my place. रात को 12 बजे went there to take something.
some random guy came.
हाँ yeah, two people came and they were like अच्छा तो आपने रुमान मिर्जा तुम लोग हो ना? How do you know me? हम लोग आपके पार्टीज में, आपकी पार्टीज बहुत क्रेजी होती है. It's like some कुछ ऐसा हिट हुआ कि यार
क्या आप करना है?
people really enjoy and people are so connected इतना to the event, they come to it, they enjoy a lot. और निकलते भी I get a lot of messages. जैसे कल रात को हमारा event हुआ टाको में, ठीक है? अभी my phone is flooded with messages कि what an event, crazy night वगैरह. That's what give you joy and that's what motivates you to यार कि
और हम लोग की
every
टीम में से जैसे मेरे को लगता नहीं किसी ने someone left blunt कि मतलब someone joined blunt and someone left के मतलब ऐसे I'm leaving कि because of some reason कि आज तक कभी नहीं हुआ
that's what we have built a family.
it's a blunt family now it's not a
the people
team
working with us वो 1 साल 2 साल ऐसे काम कर रहे हैं. जो client जो अभी तक हमारे guest जो है जो पार्टी करते हैं हमारे साथ वो भी 1-2 साल
the client was partying at my first event जो मैंने बोला आरड्डा he's partying with me आज भी
मतलब जो
he
हमारा
was at Taco Me yesterday
हाँ जो हमारा कस्टमर कनेक्ट है ना और जो हमारे क्लाइंट्स और हमारे टीम का जो कनेक्ट है that's what I like and that's what motivates you to ऐसे get events every week.
So since you mentioned that you have a good team and एक family बन गई है blunt की, so I have been seeing this a lot कि a lot of people are promoting blunt की events and हर दूसरे इंसान की bio में blunt partner है. So how are you guys managing and since you are from the marketing background, so what is that marketing gimmick behind it? Like आप लोग उनको reach out कैसे कर रहे हो, उनको incentive क्या दे रहे हो?
ठीक है, I'll tell you. So we only have 60 to 70 full-time people
Full-time
working with
people.
not including Saki and Seal. ठीक है? In Blunt we have 70 full-time people who are working full-time with Blunt exclusive.
but at 2 to 300 people who are just promoting our event
हाँ, but 200 to 3 people are promoting our event. जैसे you have Aram in your team, ठीक है? Who is here? तो वो भी he has promoted Blunt पहले. I met him after such a long time. हम 1 साल पहले पार्टी में मिले थे. वो भी event promote करता है. Not because I pay him or something. कोई incentive है उसका.
we know how to
Just
make
because
relations
people like us and people love our events and we value our relations the most. We love retaining people and events. We make sure कि every face that come to our event कोई
we
भी
meet personally
कोई भी ऐसे हाँ we meet every single table और guest personally कि कोई भी वो retention rate जो है हमारा maximum रहे और we like to maintain.
yesterday we had 24 tables at Taco Me और ऐसा मेरे को नहीं लगता है कोई एक भी टेबल होगा जो मेरे से मिल गया नहीं
हम personally हर एक table से जाके सब
I partied at every table 24 में 24 I partied at
It looks very easy कि party कर रहे हो वगैरह but every time you have to be alert कि
कौन
जब भी table चल रहा है तो कुछ भी मतलब anything can go wrong उसमें कि टेबल पे सर्विस नहीं आ रहा है ये नहीं आ रहा है वगैरह. You have to make sure कि everyone is satisfied. I think that's the key.
That makes sense. But don't you think that's gonna like that can backfire also because you have so many people inside your team. You don't know that everyone has good intention and everyone wants to support you. But कभी ना कभी you might have been in that situation कि आपने किसी के लिए बहुत अच्छा किया है, but you are still getting the negative comment. People are still talking behind your back. ऐसा भी situation आई है?
होता है बहुत बार होता है.
But यार what I think is यार तुम कुछ भी करोगे ना लोग बोलेंगे और मेरे को I genuinely I'll say it here ठीक है the hate we used to get in the first 6 to 8 months ठीक है कि यार ये तो कुछ नहीं होगा इनसे कुछ नहीं होगा मतलब बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज बोलती थी ये क्या है इधर से मुंबई क्या है नहीं कहाँ से आए क्या करेंगे वगैरह and I was like कि and that was also a motivation कि यार ये तो करके जाना है यार ये कैसे बोल दिया ऐसे अब तो करना है that really pushes you और बहुत बार हुआ बट ऐसे यार लोगों का काम है बोलना है. मैं वो एक और
मतलब we genuinely we don't care.
I saw an interview जब यार बनता हो शाहरुख खान जिसको अच्छा नहीं लगता जब शाहरुख खान बन जाए ना तो फिर तुम्हारी स्माइल भी क्यूट है तुम्हारे इवेंट्स भी अच्छे हैं तुम्हारा क्राउड भी अच्छा है तो ऐसी बात है.
That is important because लोग तो बोलते रहते हैं but to get across it is very important. And since I mentioned about negative comment, कभी ऐसा कोई situation आया है like that really felt bad कि कभी आपने किसी के लिए बहुत किया हो and then they are like they backstab you. ऐसा कभी कोई situation आया है?
I think आया है. I won't take names but यार it's a part. I know ठीक है हमारा retention अगर 90% भी है ठीक है हमारे टीम मेंबर्स का तो 10% नहीं है ठीक है तो वो 10% के लिए मैं 90% का दिमाग नहीं लगाऊंगा. मैं बोलूंगा 90% अच्छा है. 90% a very good rate. 10% तो होता ही है.
Okay. I'll ask a very interesting question. if you could recreate your own dream nightclub, what would it look like and what kind of music would you want to play there?
So basically I would like to suggest Bollywood music क्योंकि आजकल there is no craze of Bollywood music इतना अभी everyone is going to techno and people are like Bollywood crowd अच्छा नहीं होता है, it's not like that.
People are missing out on Bollywood basically. Yeah.
People love Bollywood. Bollywood crowd is very good. अगर तुम देखा जाए तो.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because I remember whenever I'm going out with my friends, all they wait for is that 11 or 11:30 to hit and Bollywood to start.
Yeah, so I'll tell you, abhi we are experiencing I'll say a change in the Mumbai nightlife scene. Pehle it used to be all Bollywood commercial, but people are now more inclined
techno.
towards techno. So I think in the upcoming days, like it was pehle, if I see the market share, it was 20% techno gigs and everything, and 80% Bollywood commercial gigs. But now I feel it's 50-50. And techno is the people who are listening techno, it's continuing increasing. So we are also planning our expansion in techno theme. So now we are doing Bollywood commercial parties majorly, but we are still trying to focus ourselves on techno events and everything.
Personally love Bollywood.
So you guys prefer
We
Bollywood?
guys prefer Bollywood. We guys prefer Bollywood. Bollywood and commercial.
Do you guys know any good techno place? Like ऐसे particular parties होती हैं जहाँ पर सिर्फ techno बजता है, like that.
There are no techno. To be honest,
In
there are no
Mumbai.
techno places in Mumbai. ठीक है? So techno का क्या होता है पता है क्या? ऐसे कई जगह नहीं होता कि Saturday हर जगह techno हो रहा है. ठीक है? There are basically small events. क्योंकि techno में
Small
artist
concerts.
matters a lot. Artist का cost techno में 1.5-2 लाख तक जाता है. तो वो एक event होता है सिर्फ techno का, कोई एक proper place नहीं होती techno का ऐसे जैसे जहाँ पे regular अच्छा techno होता है. There are majorly concerts and ये.
Okay, so we'll circle back to our question that I asked about Nasik, and I want to know more about how you guys were in Nasik because both of you were from Nasik, and आप लोग childhood friends रहे हो, you guys grew up together. तो बचपन में आप लोग कैसे थे?
So I'll tell you. So we have been neighbors since 18 to 19 years now. ठीक है? As long as I can remember. But 8th में I left Malegaon. ठीक है? He was still there. He was still there. उसके बाद I went to my hostel. उसके बाद 11th 12th I came back तो he was in Nasik. ठीक है? उसके बाद it was down. So मतलब मैं उधर return किया तो ये उधर नहीं था. He was in Nasik and Pune for his higher studies 11th 12th. I came back. उसके बाद जब first year लगा तब तक तो COVID आ गया था. तो COVID के बाद accidentally we both ended up here in Mumbai.
I was in Pune. जब कोविड हो गया तो I used to come here. तो ये भी इधर ही था.
I was here. I was in HR. I was completing my graduation. So I came back.
First event का offer आया. Then he came. Then we met up.
Okay, तो आपके first event का offer से you guys
फिर से.
He was here only June में तो
I
मैं
was here
call
only.
किया.
We used to party together वगैरह. But वो event का आया. इसके पास आया. ये बोला कि अथर्वा ऐसे ऐसे event का बोल रहे कर सकते क्या? बोला कर सकते यार. कोई इतना 200 लोग बुलाना है. Youth circle and I am an extrovert person. I like to socialize. I like to meet every new person I meet.
And I am an introvert.
But he's an introvert. तो बोला यार लोग तो बुला लेंगे ऐसी कोई बात नहीं. लोग आ जाएंगे. बोलो पार्टी करना है. वो भी फ्री में एंट्री दे रहे कपल्स को. क्यों नहीं आएंगे? बुलाएंगे. बोला बुला लो.
Nice. So as an introvert, you were okay with it?
Okay with it.
Because मैंने mostly introverts को देखा, they don't like to party alone. They like to party, but they don't like to
Once
party
I know
alone.
you, I am not introvert.
Once I know you.
So that's ambiguous.
He's just shy to talk to
yeah.
new people.
Okay, makes sense. And like बचपन के आपके जो दोस्त हैं वो भी यहाँ पर हैं या फिर they are?
हाँ, yeah, lot of people.
Yeah. We meet them every weekend और दिवाली में जैसे गेट टुगेदर होता है. सबका अपना अपना चल रहा है अलग अलग. But we make sure कि साल में एक बार
But अभी भी ऐसे लोग हैं
गेट टुगेदर हो.
जो नासिक से and they used to party every weekend.
Party with us.
On every weekend.
जो जिनको
On
जिनको
every
जो
Saturday,
हमारे
every
साथ ऐसे क्लबिंग तब से स्टार्ट किया as I told you कि उतने टाइम से हमारे साथ पार्टी कर रहे हैं वो अभी भी लोग हैं.
We know how to make relation.
Since you guys were like childhood buddies, तो वो रहता है ना कि यार भाई अपन साथ में कुछ startup खोलेंगे something like that. So you had it in your mind कि
No, never.
Nothing.
suddenly it happened that यहाँ पर gig आया and then you guys.
यहाँ पे आया गिग भी नहीं वो गिग भी नहीं बोलूँगा उसको. वो ऐसा बोले कि तुम लोग क्राउड खींचोगे क्या? 100 कपल या 30-40 कपल खींच पाओगे क्या? बोला 100%.
And they offered us free drinks. मतलब हम लोग तो पीते नहीं. मतलब they offered us free drinks कि हम लोग ये दे देंगे. मतलब it was good. कि हम लोग इतना सारा ऑफर मिल रहा था. हम लोग
तो हम लोग यार कि क्या कर रहे हैं ऐसी पार्टी कर रहे हैं कुछ कर लेंगे.
हम लोग एवरी वीकेंड लेके जाते थे 15-20 लोग. तो हम लोग और थोड़ा पुश कर देंगे.
We'll get paid for it. We'll get paid for it यार.
और before Blunt becoming a group and after it आपकी personality में क्या change है?
तो I'll say कि Blunt तो जैसे 6 महीने बाद बजा. Personality में I'll say यार कि जैसे से it grew popularity ना, you have to think every time you do something.
Yeah.
Are people watching you?
जैसे
You don't want to become a
पहले
What
क्लब
knows
में
you can do
क्लब में
anything.
हम लोग को जो करना चाहिए था हम लोग कर सकते थे बट अभी इट्स लाइक दैट कि अभी
You don't have to think पहले क्लब में
देखना
आके पार्टी कर रहे गिर रहे.
नो वन नोज मी पहले
No one knows you ना. You can do
पहले.
anything. But when you're in your event, you have to think twice before doing anything. ऐसे कुछ उल्टा सीधा.
पहले मैं पार्टी करता था नो वन नोज मी ठीक है अब मैं पार्टी करता एवरीवन नोज मी जितने भी लोग मेरे सराउंड
But it's very different.
आई डोंट नो देम बट दे नोज मी
तो सिंस आप लोग काफी टाइम से क्लब कर रहे हो, व्हाट इज द वर्स्ट एंड द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू हैड?
The best experience I'll say. London's one.
उसके बाद तो टाइट 3 इवेंट्स वन एट लमार वन एट की
That's the worst night. That was the worst
That
night.
was
I'll
worst-
tell you.
worst night.
I'll tell you. We had 3 events planned, 4 events
Four
planned,
events planned.
on one day, ठीक है? And we had around total 2,500 people coming that day, including 4 events, ठीक है? Combined. And so Ruman was at a different venue. I was at a different venue. Shaurya, our third partner, was at a different venue. And it got all jumbled up and everything. And I think that was the
That
worst event.
night
And
was-
to be honest, when you say na, when I say customer retention, there are some nights, ठीक है, where the sale is very good, where the money you have earned is very good, ठीक है, but the crowd satisfaction जैसे overcrowded हो जाता है, that is not good. So I think that's the worst night. उस दिन revenue collection was insane, but इतना
और
overpacked
मैं
हो
को
गया था
कहता
भाई,
किसी को सर्विस ही नहीं मिल पाई
तो सर्विस मिल नहीं पाई. I think
ये बहुत होता है नाइट लाइफ में क्या मतलब कभी कभी ओवर
overpacked है,
सर्विस
इसमें
नहीं
ये
मिल
नहीं
पाती
डरना पड़ता तुम्हारा क्लब खाली छूट जाएगा. कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है कि बहुत overpacked हो गया, तो इसमें
अगर
service
मेरा
वगैरह
अगर मेरा कोई
जाएगी.
क्लब होगा तो आई वर्क ऑन सर्विस सबको सर्विस मिल पाए
सर्विस मिल पाएगी क्योंकि that's very important when you have to retain a client.
Since you said that you are doing MBA and you also said that you want to pursue international MBA, तो उसके बाद भी you want to continue with this?
So in March I'll get my MBA का degree. So I'll be a master's. ठीक है. उसके बाद I don't have any education that I can pursue. So I think 1 year I'll be in Mumbai. ठीक है. And I can definitely think of getting. Now we have 2 venues. My plan is getting 5 good venues till the end of March. And I think that's our milestone as of now.
Okay. And there is this one question that I always wanted to ask. How do you manage your team? Like इतने लोगों की टीम में से कौन मैनेज करता है? आपका roles and responsibilities क्या होता है?
Okay, so I'll tell you, it's very difficult managing 3 people at a time. So you should have a hierarchy system. So we have a hierarchy system in Blunt कि ये इससे coordinate करेगा, ये इससे coordinate करेगा, ये इससे coordinate करेगा. That really helps us manage people. And Ruman and I divide the people. इतने लोगों से तू बात करा, इतने लोगों से मैं. फिर अगर रुमान की
इसकी
कोई
अलग टीम है मेरी अलग टीम है
मतलब ऐसे जिससे ये
मैं
coordinate कर
कोऑर्डिनेट
रहा है.
करूंगा ये अलग लोग से
अलग तो
coordinate
अगर रुमान का कोई मुझे भी कोऑर्डिनेट करना है बोला रुमान से कोऑर्डिनेट कर तो वो कोऑर्डिनेशन में हमारा कंफ्यूजन भी नहीं होता है कि पेमेंट्स देना
Payment
वगैरह
देना, लेना
तो
कोई-
हम वैसे तो आधी टीम ये कोऑर्डिनेट करता है आधी शौर्य करता है आधी मैं करता हूँ ऐसे रोल फिर डिवाइडेड ऐसे कितने लोगों से ये बात करेगा इतने से मैं तो दैट रियली हेल्प्स अस ऐसे डिवाइड आवर वर्क और उसके नीचे फिर हायरार्की ऐसा आई टोल्ड यू वैसे हायरार्की होता है इट्स इजी फॉर अस टू कोऑर्डिनेट.
Okay. And since you guys are partners, तो share कैसे बढ़ता है आप लोग के बीच में? What is how things work?
So I don't think I want to disclose it but yeah we divide.
50-50?
I don't think I want to disclose.
Okay, perfect. तो ये सब तो बात हो गई about Blunt, but I wanted to know more about your personal life as well. So are you guys dating? Like, are you dating someone or
As of now, we are-
you're seeing someone?
no one trusts us
No, so yeah, I'll tell you this thing, ठीक है? I'll tell you. It's very interesting, ठीक है? So if you're dating also someone and if you also meet a girl, ठीक है? So we are in this industry, ठीक है? Obviously you get a lot of female attention, ठीक है? And when you're part of this industry ना, where इतना glamour and everything is there, it's very hard for
for attention बहुत ज्यादा
you get a lot of
Lot of
female
attention.
attention, male attention, beat everything, and it's very difficult if you have a partner ना. It's very difficult. It's a part of a job इतने लोगों से बात करना वगैरह. So it's very reasonable of your partner to get insecure of this.
I have 30 to 40 female striks on every weekend जो मेरी लिस्ट पे आ रही
तो
पार्टी करने और
not
मेरे को
in a
उनसे बात
bad
करनी
sense.
ही है
Not in a bad sense. You talk to them because they are your guest. But of course यार थोड़ा partner में थोड़ा insecurity वगैरह भी totally understand it. So it's I think it's the demerit of
मैंने भी ट्राई किया इसने भी ट्राई किया बट नहीं हो पाया
yeah. So we have dated पहले but यार it's very complicated when you do this.
So I wanted to ask you one last question. That what is that one advice that you would like to give to all the aspiring DJs, promoters, and anyone who is trying to break in this nightlife or किसी को clubs में gigs करने हैं या कुछ भी ऐसा?
The only advice I'd love to give to the people who are trying to get into nightlife is networking is the key to everything. ठीक है? Don't be shy or afraid to reach out to people. Reach out to people. Find people you have similar interests with. ठीक है? find your mentors. I've been fortunate enough to find great mentors, friends who have been for me. You know who you all are. They've always been there. Find the people around you. Keep yourself surrounded with the people who don't pull you back. And I think that's the only advice I'll give it.
Don't be shy to socialize.
And every event you do or every gig you do, okay, there's a new thing you learn in every gig. Okay? You have to learn everything from a single gig. We have done around 200 gigs abhi tak, and I'll say I've learned every gig में कुछ ना कुछ I've learned something.
थोड़ा सा तो
हाँ, और ये इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है ना कि once you start climbing ना, you climb बहुत फटाफट, पर डाउनफॉल भी उतना जल्दी आता है. तो कभी भी सक्सेस को है ना इधर मत चढ़ने दो, और कोई भी तुम्हारा खराब इवेंट जा रहा है ना तो दिल पे मत लो. इट चेंजेस एवरी इवेंट. मतलब एक हफ्ता इवेंट खराब है, अगले हफ्ते अच्छा चले जाएगा. अब एक अच्छा गया
हम लोग का होता है,
चले जाएगा.
हम लोग का अभी भी होता है.
इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द इवेंट इंडस्ट्री. यू डोंट हैव टू बी डीमोटिवेटेड. इवेंट अच्छा नहीं गया या कोई इवेंट बहुत अच्छा गया तो वो सर पे वो सक्सेस है जो बोलेंगे ना वो चढ़ने मत दो. बाकी विल बी गुड इन द इंडस्ट्री. दे विल ट्रीट यू गुड, रियल गुड.
So thank you so much for this wonderful conversation. I really enjoyed it. So there is this one thing that we do with all of our guests, and in this you have to summarize your whole experience with us. So what is that one word that comes in your mind when I say Smash Podcast?
Kill it, rock it,
Okay, so was it?
banger.
Okay, so thank you so much, and I had a good time with you all.
So did we.
Thank you so much. And I think मुझे नाइट लाइफ के बारे में बहुत कुछ पता चला आज, बिकॉज पहले मुझे पता था कि आई जस्ट गो देयर एंड पार्टी, बट आई नेवर न्यू कि उन सब के पीछे ये सब होता है. देयर इज अ टीम बिल्डिंग, देयर इज सो मच एफर्ट दैट यू गाइस पुट अप, एंड सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. And thank you so much for everyone who was watching. And if you ever feel like reaching out to them, I think you can just reach out to them on
So I'll tell you, first of all, thank you so much for inviting us to the podcast. I've never done this before, neither has he. We really enjoyed speaking our hearts out. ठीक है, तो सब लोग ये पूछते हैं क्या गेसेस में एंट्री हो जाएगी, कोई ये नहीं पूछता क्या कर रहे हो, कैसा लग रहा है इवेंट ये वो. तो it was really fun having to talk about this. So if you are interested in nightlife, or you think you have a passion or anything for nightlife, do reach us out. Follow us on Blunt Entertainment. My name is Atharav Dapadia. His name is Roman Mirza. Feel free to reach us out on our Instagram.
Thank you so much for watching this whole episode. It was a special episode because Smash turned 1, and I really hope you enjoyed this. I know that you wanted something that you could relate to, and that's what we could deliver. So thank you so much. Please like, share and comment, and we will see you in the next episode. It was really nice talking to you guys, and there's this thing that we do with every guest in which we like to summarize their whole experience with us, and you have to answer this. So what is that one word that comes in your mind when I say smash it?
Smash.
अरे यार बकवास I talk about the podcast.
I think, yeah.
let's bang it, let's cook it, let's rock.
How do this?
तो